Welcome to episode 21 of the Forge of Unicorns podcast. Today we're discussing about avoid tech disasters like a pro. What Ferrari's driving school can teach your IT department.
Welcome back, digital warriors. In our last episode, we dove deep into why it's crucial to rethink how you train your technical crew. But today, let's cut to the chase. Tech disasters are becoming a recurring nightmare that none of us can afford to ignore. We've all seen the headlines, and some of us have felt the sting firsthand when things go south. Take CrowdStrike, for instance. They were once riding high with a stock price of $390, but after the well-publicized gaffe, driven by a lack of technical mastery and poor IT posture, their forecast plummeted to $185. Now, they're staring down the barrel of